Hoist up, easy now. Clear the bed.
Watch the alignment, moving left.
Surface aberration at 1200 millimeters. I see it on the scope feed.
It's superficial, still passes inspection.
The depth of the cut seems precise. It is well within tolerance according to the readout.
Lowering sequence is stable. Good, maintain the rate.
To the left, a little more. All right, bring it down slowly now.
Are the specs holding up on this batch? Yes, they look good. Keep the line moving.
Perfect engagement. The tolerance is spot on.
Watch the clearance on the left.
Okay, bringing it down slowly now.
Hand me the torque wrench, please.
Here you go. Make sure it clicks twice. Got it.
Aligning the gears now.
Engaging automated clamps. Alignment secure.
Confirmed. The breech is locked.
Aligning the feeder mechanism now. Watch the clearance.
Clear on this side. Proceed with securing the bolts.
Feeder is clear. Engaging the automated sequence now.
Green light on the panel. System is fully loaded.
Keep it steady, we're almost at full capacity. Confirmed. The feed rate is stable.
Transition complete. All materials flowing to the right chute as expected.
Excellent. The mid-cycle adjustment worked perfectly.
You're aligned with the aperture. Requesting final descent.
Roger that. Proceeding with caution. Watch the clearance.
Align the mount points now.
They are aligned. Proceed with the torque wrench.
Readings are stable.
All stations report green. Safety engaged. Firing authorized.
Confirmed. Firing.
The recoil force is stable at 150 Newton seconds.
Confirmed. The dampening system performed optimally.
Check the calibration on the targeting array again. It's reading perfectly within the green zone. Okay, marking that complete. Slow down on the main hoist. Watch the alignment on this side. Looks good, set it down easy. Easy, easy. Bring it down slow. Okay, that's good. We are clear.
Confirming inventory for Sector 7.
All clear here. Moving to the next row.
Little to the left. Easy now.
Keep coming down, keep coming down.
All right, hold it there. Looks good.
We need to optimize the gear interface. Look at the wear pattern simulation.
What if we increase the pitch diameter slightly?
We need to adjust the specs here before we mount it.
All right, let's double check the tolerance.
This chart highlights the new shutdown procedures.
So we need to log this, even if it's a minor fluctuation.
That is correct. All data must be logged before proceeding.
I'm telling you, that new robot on the floor is incredible.
It really is. I thought it would be more complicated.